All SACE electronic examinations have a number of useful features to help you complete your examination. The exam allows you to zoom in and out, highlight and take notes, use a private text editor called Scribblepaper, and flag questions you might want to review later. Here we'll focus on playing audio and video files. If your exam is going to contain audio or video content, you will see an audio test page during the login process. This is for you to test the volume level of your device and headphones before the timed part of the exam begins. Just like other pictures and graphics, videos can also be set up to automatically adjust to the size of the panel. When the multi-panel screen is used, the size of the panels can be adjusted by dragging the center grab bar to the left or right, and the reference materials panel can also be minimized to further increase screen real estate. Further to this, each panel can also be displayed at full screen by simply selecting the icon at the top left corner of the panel you want to enlarge. In most exams, you will be able to control playback options such as play, pause, stop, skip ahead, and adjusting the volume. Apart from the playback options in the video control bar, you can also play and pause the video by clicking anywhere in the video display panel. If there is a limit to the amount of times you can play a video, it would be displayed below the video control bar. During the playback of a video, you can still access the features of the toolbar, including Scribblepaper. This is useful for taking notes and for identifying a specific time during the video that you may want to refer to in your response. This functionality is also available while listening to audio files. Audio files can have the same playback options as video files. In some exams, the subject outline requires the number of times you can play a media file to be limited. If this is the case, the question will tell you how many plays you can use, and the system will restrict the number of times the media can be played. The play count is displayed below the audio control bar. The play count of a media file is recorded by the system as soon as you press play. In these exams, the playback controls are usually limited to the play button and adjusting the volume. All other controls are usually disabled. If the number of plays has been limited, it is important not to change the question page during a playing of the media, as you will lose the remaining part of that playing. To explore other features of electronic examinations, see our collection of videos and support materials on the SACE website.